We look at it every night. It controls our tides. It lights up our darkness. We think it is a lifeless rock, floating in the void. But what if it is not a rock at all? What if the moon is an engine? The truth began to leak on November 20th, 1969. During the Apollo 12 mission, NASA intentionally crashed the lunar module onto the surface of the moon to test seismic sensors. They expected a small thud, a tremor that would last for minutes. Instead, something impossible happened. The moon rang like a giant bell. For 55 minutes, and the shock waves vibrated through the moon. Solid planetary bodies do not ring. If you hit a rock, it creates a dead thud. Only one thing rings when you hit it: a hollow metal sphere. NASA was shocked. One scientist famously said, "The moon seemed to wobble like a gong." Later, during Apollo 13, they dropped a heavier booster. This time, the moon rang for 3 hours. The sound traveled deep, as if the inside was empty. But the anomaly is not just sound, it is geometry. The moon is exactly 400 times smaller than the sun, and it is exactly 400 times closer to Earth than the sun. This mathematical coincidence means that during an eclipse, the moon covers the sun perfectly, to the millimeter. Astronomers say this is impossible luck. The odds are 1 in a billion. Or perhaps it was measured. Perhaps it was placed there. In 1970, two Soviet scientists, Michael Vasin and Alexander Shcherbakov, proposed the forbidden theory. They suggested the moon is not a natural satellite. They claimed it is a hollowed-out planetoid, steered into Earth's orbit by an ancient intelligence, a spaceship moon. Think about the craters. The moon has been hit by massive asteroids for billions of years. Some impacts should have gone miles deep, but they didn't. Even the biggest craters are strangely shallow. It is as if, beneath the dust, there is a protective hull, a metallic shell 20 miles thick that cannot be broken. And then, there is the silence. The moon is tidally locked. It spins at the exact speed needed to keep one side hidden from us forever. The dark side. We never see the back. We only see the face it wants us to see. Why is it here? Is it a lifeboat, a space station, or is it the ultimate observation post? Maybe the Black Knight was just a drone. But the moon is the base, and it has been watching us, waiting for us to grow. Next time you look up at the night sky, ask yourself, are you looking at a moon, or are you looking at a machine? This file is now sealed.